Okay, most traders think they need hours of daily screen time to improve. But what if the most effective trading drill used by our top traders takes only 5 minutes? Elite traders train intensively and efficiently. This 5-minute drill is designed to do just that and will elevate your trading. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're one of the top proprietary trading firms in the US with numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. We hope you agree you've found the right place to help grow your trading account.
Every trader wants to be fast, but the winners are fast and they're calm. John Wooden said it best.
Be quick, but don't hurry.
Today I'll give you a 5-minute drill that hardwires that timing right into your hands. So let's set a timer for 5 minutes. Let's sharpen your edge. 2 summers ago, a rookie on our desk could see everything, and he really caught absolutely nothing. He'd chase green candles, he'd short red flushes, and he'd finish the day completely exhausted. He'd have moments of brilliance in the right trade, doing the right thing, but then moments of confusion, moments where he could not seem to get anything right at all. Times when he was doing what seemed like the right thing, and it just would not work out. He was frustrated, he was overwhelmed, he was discouraged. He was obsessed with trading. He admitted he would find himself thinking about it all the time. He wanted it. I mean, it wasn't really his fault he was getting these periods of inconsistency. He was trading with an idea of a playbook. He was trading with an idea of what trades he was taking, and he generally knew and understood them. And he could tell you about them, but there was this massive disconnect between the lessons he was learning and the results he was getting from his trading, between his growth and his profitability. There was one thing he needed. We gave him one rule and one drill. The rule was,
Be quick, but don't hurry.
this drill, 5 minutes a day, 3 clean reps, location before action. 10 days later, he wasn't perfect. He was just earlier and calmer. His best trades didn't feel fast anymore. They felt right on time. That's what this drill does. Here's the exercise we're going to do together. We're going to run the same scalp 3 times. First, to see the entry, then to hold the move, and then to let the exit show up. And you're going to leave with a 5-minute ritual you definitely could repeat daily. Let's jump right into the drill and let's learn together. We're going to go through it not once, not twice, but 3 times so we can really work this drill. But it's only going to take us 5 minutes. So let's start the timer now. So pick a mover from yesterday. For this one, we're going to use AEO from 9-4. But you can pick a new one each day. Let's jump forward to just before the entry. Step 1, write down the trade. The trade we're looking for here is a VWAP continuation trade. Step 2, draw out the ideal entry. In this case, we're going to look for a grindy pull into VWAP with a clear buyer stepping right in at VWAP. That's what we look for in a VWAP continuation trade. Step 3, let's play it out and let's see just how this entry happens. We're going to say the same process each of these 3 times we pass through the trade. Write, draw, play. But for right now, let's take a look at this. You can see how it gets towards VWAP, doesn't quite get there, pulls in, hits VWAP, buyer steps in. That's exactly what we want to see. Our stop would go below the low of that move, and we just got our ideal entry. What we've just done is visually create a powerful if-then statement, and we've drawn it on the chart. If VWAP reclaims and the bid reloads, holds above, I am long, stop below VWAP. That's all we do on this first pass. We plan for our entry. There's the reload. We're in. One entry, we know right where the stop goes. We've drawn it on the charts. We know exactly what's happening here. Let's jump forward. We're going to go to pass 2 on this same exercise. We're going to reset. Now we train the hold. So right after the entry, we ask, what keeps us in? I ask myself, what keeps me in? There's an alarming and persistent problem with traders. They sell too early. Everybody sells too early. Almost everybody does it. We're all programmed by bad early trading education to do it. Don't let a winner turn into a loser. Never go broke taking a profit. This is just bad education. It's so persistent, it creeps into everyone's mind. Honestly, this whole video could be about just this next part, and maybe it should be, but this is the one that I think helps traders make the biggest leap forward in their trading. It's the same process from above. You write the trade out. I expect buyers to maintain control of the price action as big players are methodically buying the stock and will be through the high of day for this VWAP continuation trade. Then 2, draw the way you expect the trade to play out now. And be honest here. Don't just expect it to go vertical in your favor, but really think about it. Draw it as if you've already seen it play out before. The way it tends to play out, it's grindy. It really kind of gets up there, pulls in a little bit, keeps going, tests the high, all that stuff. Draw that out in the chart. And then play it. Be ready to let the trade unfold. And follow this up with a hold rule. You stay if the story improves. You see that little down consolidation? Maybe it'll fail there, but the buyer step back in. Look, it works fine. That little pull in near the top, that's okay. It's still following the process. We already have these lines drawn on the chart. We see them as a part of the story. And as we follow those lines, the story kind of keeps improving. We've set a plan and we practice staying with the plan. We practice or have a way to practice staying with the trade. We have a way to watch the trade, not react to every movement that occurs within that trade. Now, the third pass, it's going to be that exit that shows up for us. So let's reset. And as much as traders don't plan for the hold very well, far fewer plan for the exits. It's this critical part of the trade that so many of us are trained to start negotiating with the stock. Just squeeze a bit more so I can get X out of it. Okay, just get to my target and then fall so I don't feel like I missed out on anything. Maybe we were taught how to identify an appropriate reason to sell. Maybe we weren't. But without practicing it, it becomes far too easy to make costly mistakes on the exit, to make critical little errors that not only give up easy profits, but even worse, erode the confidence we have in our own trading. There was a trade that a lot of us were in, not this trade, but a similar trade. Some of us took exits as planned. We got what we were thinking the trade was going to offer, and we moved on. But one trader was still in. He got what he wanted out of the trade, everything he wanted out of the trade. But for some reason, he thought maybe it was going to get a little more. His planning turned into hope and then frustration as the stock started to stall. He had to work extra hard in the trade as it kind of started to pull back. He had to endure a heck of a lot more stress, more despair, more expensive energy monitoring the trade as it just ground back against him. We train for exits because even if the stock is going to keep going with a clear head, you can just find the next trade. With a head full of bad energy, it can be so hard to even see the next opportunity. It's a dangerous game to play. You know what's a good game to play? Draw out the exit. So write the exit out. In this case, write the trade out and write that exit out. If the stock moves up and trend turns into acceleration at the highs where they've been selling it all day or even just above, I'll exit the trade. If the stock just continues to trend, I'll trail my stop using a 9 EMA, setting and resetting a hard stop all the way up. Notice we wrote out 2 different exits. This is important. Give yourself 2 reasons to exit here. Pause the chart and draw the way you expect to exit the trade. Draw those 2 lines on the chart. One that goes each way. One that goes up and then starts to fail, and the other that just kind of keeps grinding out. And then just play it out and follow your plan. The exit's offered, you're out. Okay, that was a lot. It's the same rep, 3 passes, 5 minutes. You write it, you draw it, and you play it. You train them separately. 3 passes through. Your entry, your trade hold, and then your exit. Now to supercharge it, you can run it back all the way through one more time, but only, and I mean this, only if you worked on each of the 3 elements independently first. Now, if you heard that soft ping, that's our desk cue when opportunity is presented. It doesn't trade for you. It helps you notice the moments that you train for. When you split one scalp into entry, hold, and exit, your best trades won't feel fast anymore. They're actually going to feel on time. Remember, be quick, but don't hurry. Run this drill tomorrow. Tell me which pass clicked for you. If it sharpened your edge, subscribe. We show real reps every single week. You ready to steal 10 timing cues in slow-mo? Check out this video.